Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Secret Indian Mama. So I have come up with another informative video, and if you are a new mom then this is a must watch video because I'll be sharing certain information which you may not be aware of regarding hair fall which occurs post delivery. So please watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. Postpartum hair fall is the biggest concern of new moms these days, but please guys, do not panic. This is not a permanent problem, it's a very temporary situation which every mother goes through. Now if you ask me, is it really normal to face hair fall problem after delivery, then definitely I will tell you the answer is yes, because every mother has to go through this shedding period which occurs after delivery, probably that is after pregnancy, and 85% of our hair growth is very active, and remaining 15% of our hair growth remains in resting mode. So this is the hair fall cycle actually, and when we take hair wash or when we comb, those remaining 15% of our hair which is in resting mode actually falls off, and this allows the new hair to grow. This is what happens in the entire hair growth or entire hair fall cycle. Now when you are pregnant, definitely hormones changes. There are so many changes which takes place related to hormones. There is one hormone called estrogen. This particular hormone level gradually increases when you are pregnant. Because of this, your hair also grows stronger and you don't face hair fall problem at all. And few mothers face little bit of hair fall problem, but most of the mothers don't face hair fall problem at all because of this particular hormone. Your hair growth actually increases, and your hair gets stronger, thicker and shinier. And throughout the hair fall or the hair growth cycle, this estrogen level regulates the blood flow. Only very few percentage of hair goes in resting mode. That is why most of the mothers face very less hair fall problem during pregnancy, and few mothers don't face hair fall problem at all. Now what happens post delivery is this particular hormone called estrogen gradually drops down. When it gradually falls, what happens is your hair does not get any more thicker, stronger, shinier, or there is not much proper blood flow. That's the reason why new mothers face hair fall problem after delivery, and this is probably the shedding period which occurs post delivery, and it remains for 6 to 8 months maximum. And probably by the time your baby reaches his first milestone, that is his first birthday, this problem will no more be a problem for you. The hair fall problem will definitely reduce. Now if you ask me, does every mother face the same hair fall problem, then I will tell you that the answer is no. Each mother is different. Okay, each human being is different, everyone's hormones are different. So obviously no, not every mother will face this kind of problem. There are few lucky mothers who don't face hair fall problem at all. There are few mothers who face hair fall problem. There are few mothers who face lots and lots of hair fall problem, or they face a problem for a longer period. So it all depends upon individuals hormone levels in body. Now you might have a query like, what are the signs or what are the symptoms of this hair fall problem? Now if you comb, okay, when you comb your hair, if your hair stands, if at least 100 hair stands falls while combing or while taking bath, then definitely this is one of the signs that you are going to face the hair fall problem soon. This usually occurs after 4 or 6 months of your delivery. So probably when your baby is 4 or 5 months old, then this hair fall problem will occur. and it will continue for a maximum of 6 to 8 months, after which you will not face this hair fall problem at all. If in case you face lots and lots of hair fall problem, if in case you feel that you're losing too much of hair and your scalp is seen or something else, or if if you feel that it has crossed a certain period, then definitely you can go and consult your doctor. Your doctor is the one who will advise you as what to do next, or why you're facing this kind of problem. um, Now, what's the reason of this hair fall is one of the one of the frequently asked question by mothers. As I told you earlier, estrogen hormone is one of the reason, and if in case you have a thyroid problem, then there are high possibilities that you may face hair fall problem. It's not that if you don't have a thyroid problem during pregnancy, you will not be having post delivery too. It's not like that. Few mothers get thyroid problem even after delivery. So thyroid can be one of the reason of hair fall apart from estrogen hormone. And if in case you're anemic to anything, then definitely a hair fall problem will be there. So probably if you have iron deficiency, then yes, hair fall problem will be there. Now if you ask me what is the treatment of this hair fall problem, now I'll tell you that this is something very natural. This cannot be changed, but definitely you can control hair fall before hair fall problem occurs. So what happens is, when you are pregnant, doctors will definitely recommend you to take some supplements like iron supplement or vitamin supplements, or your doctors might have prescribed folic acid for you. So please take those supplements properly when you are pregnant. And also few doctors recommend you to continue those supplements even after delivery. In my case, my doctor advised me, in fact she warned me to continue these supplements for at least a year. But trust me guys, I did not have confidence, I did not have belief in that. I did not know why she was asking me to take the supplements, because I had just delivered and my concentration was not on my health. My full concentration was on my baby. So that was the biggest mistake. I would say it's a blunder which I did. I hardly took those supplements for a month, that too not regularly. I was very irregular in following those supplements, which led me to drastic hair fall problem. So guys, if your doctor is recommending you to continue supplements even after delivery, then please continue it. And if in case your doctor has not told you anything about the supplements, do go and check with your doctor. Do ask them if you really need to have those supplements. If she says yes, then please continue. Taking supplements will actually control the hair fall problem which you will face post delivery. And the next thing is eat healthy. Obviously, take lots and lots of fruits and vegetables, consume lots of water. Staying healthy and eating healthy, being in a very healthy diet will definitely control this hair fall problem. Wash in a very gentle way. Do not use any harsh chemicals on your hair. Don't wash or shampoo your hair very regularly. Take some time. Don't wash your hair on a daily basis. Take some break. Wash it once in 2 days or once in 3 days. Do not shampoo your hair too much. Too much of shampooing can also damage your hair. That's the reason. And also use a shampoo which increases the volume of your hair. There are so many shampoos available in the market. You can very well choose the one you like. And also use a comb which has wide teeth. You can go for neem combs, or you can go for wooden combs. These kind of combs have really wide teeth. Even plastic combs have, but it will be good if you use wooden or neem combs. I personally use neem comb, which I actually love it. And avoid using hair dryer. Avoid giving heat to your hair, because high possibilities that your hair will fall. So avoid hair dryer and avoid straightener or curler. Don't get stressed out. stay calm and enjoy your motherhood. And the last thing is, try to trim or chop your hair at the edges. You may have some ingrown hair, right? Just chop it so that your hair looks voluminous, and your hair will definitely look stronger and healthier when you cut off the edges of your hair. So through these ways you can actually control hair fall problem. Using any home remedies to completely vanish of this problem is not possible. Definitely you can control hair fall. Definitely your hair fall will reduce. It will just minimize or it will just reduce, but hair fall problem will be there for 6 to 8 months after your delivery. So that cannot be changed. That is very natural. Okay, so I have certain home remedies which I'll tell you guys now. First thing is, take a good and strong diet. Eat some food which has very good iron and zinc content in it. Then you can use certain hair packs. You can use hair pack once in a week or twice in a week. There are different ways through which a hair pack can be done. What you can do is take egg whites, not the yellow one, not the yolk one, just the white part of the egg. Mix it with the olive oil. Definitely you will be having massage oil, olive oil for your baby. Use that olive oil. If in case you don't have olive oil, you can also use coconut oil. Mix it, gently apply it on scalp, leave it for an hour, and then rinse your hair. If you don't like the egg smell, or if you don't feel like applying egg hair mask on your hair, you can also try yogurt hair mask. You can either take yogurt or curd, mix it with the oil. Any oil will do. Just apply it on your scalp, leave it for an hour, and then wash it off. Just take some handful of fenugreek seeds. Mehti. Take those seeds, soak it in a bowl of water overnight. Then in the morning, strain the water and apply the water on your scalp. Leave it for an hour, then wash it off. This is a very good home remedy to treat hair fall problem. Always, before you go for bath, not only when you face hair fall problem, in general, what you can do is massage your head with a lukewarm oil before taking bath, and this will definitely give you a kind of relaxing feel and is also good for your health. Yes, amla is really good for hair. You can either consume amla juice, or else if you, in case you don't like amla, you can apply amla hair oil. Amla is really a very good thing to solve hair fall problem, and it also strengthens your hair. Then you might have heard about flax seeds. Flax seeds are really good when consumed. It increases the omega-3, so you can consume flax seeds to promote stronger hair. You can also consume dry fruits. This will also enable very strong hair for you. These are certain home remedies which I personally followed and worked for me. Hair fall did not reduce completely, but yeah, I could see some change. Hope that all this information was really helpful for you, and also the home remedies were helpful for you. Please do try these remedies and let me know in the comment section if it really worked for you and how you felt about it. Please do not panic. Enjoy motherhood. See you in another video. Take care. Bye bye.